A composite solid consists of a cone on a top of a cylinder. The cone is 8 cm high and the slant height is 10 cm. If the solid is 18 centimeter high, calculate the volume correct to significant figure. So the first thing we do is to draw the diagram involved. All right, so we have a cylinder first. We have a cylinder and then a cone sitting on top of this cylinder. And we are told that the height of the cylinder is 8 cm. I mean the cone rather is 8 cm. And the slant height, that is this, here is 10 cm. But meanwhile, the total height from here to here, so let's draw this out. The total height from here to here is 18 cm. And we are asked to find the volume of this diagram. So our assignment is very simple. Find the volume of the cone, find the volume of the cylinder, then add them together, okay? But meanwhile, to find the volume of this guy, we need the radius. We need the radius R. So to find the R, we can actually use this guy, this right angle here, is a right angle, to find this side, which is the radius, okay? So let's find the radius. We use Pythagoras theorem. This Pythagoras theorem. H squared equal to A squared plus O squared. My H is the slant height, which is 10 squared, equal to, this is my adjacent, so I have my O, which is 8 raised to power this. So I am looking for A, which is actually my R. So to get A from here, we square 10. This is 100 minus 64. 100 minus 64. You know that this guy will cross over to meet 10. So rearranging it, will have something like this. Then when we subtract, my A will be 36. Sorry, this is A squared. Then taking the square roots of the both sides, I will have my A, which is my radius, to be equal to 6. So I've gotten here as 6. The next thing we need to do is to get the height of this cylinder, the height from here down here. Since we have the total length of this shape from here to here as 18, but take note that from here to here is 8 centimeter. That means the remaining part will be 10. So here is 10. From here to here, 18. Here is 8. This is 10. So having gotten all the parameters that we need, the next thing we do is use the volume of the cone and the volume of the cylinder. Add them together to get the volume of the composite shape. So we say volume is equal to that of the cone is 1/3 pi r square h plus that of the cylinder, which is pi r square h. Then we substitute. V is equal to 1/3 times 22/7 times my r is 6. So I'll have 6 raised to power 2 times my height, which is 8, plus I have pi 22/7 times my r 6 squared times the h, the height, which is 10. It is 10 here. If I point this, and this, I'll have 6 over 3 times 7 is 21, plus, then we point here, 22 times 6 squared, which is 36 here, times this. I will have 7920 over 7. Then we add. Point your calculator very well. You have V to be equal to 1433.142857. Then remember that we are asked to take the first two significant figures, which is 1 and 4. So our volume will be equal to 1400, 1400 centimeter cube. We are measuring the volume, which is measured in centimeter cube. So this is the solution to number 10 question.